When was may travel record ba kayo ng Go Waping? Since 2003?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, yung first, di ba pumasok siya in the Philippines?
Yes, Your Honor.
As what? Visit?
The first entry of the Gua Waping was, as I've said, in January 12, 2003, Your Honor.
I do believe that even the security sector, especially the government agency involved in internal security, naiintindihan po natin why Miss Alice Go or Go Waping, instead of going to China and seek refuge to his father, hindi siya umuwi doon kasi alam na po natin, alam ng mga sa security sector natin na yun yung orientation. Sorry po, yun po, never go back to your country if your country will be incriminated in the cases that being filed to you in other countries. Thank you, Chairman. Can I proceed?
Congressman Carlos Paduano, and then last will be Congressman Dan Fernandez for the closing.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
And before the closing, it's Congresswoman Sonsing. So, but Congresswoman Sonsing will only ask the permission of the chair for a short manifestation. Is that correct? So now, Congressman Paduano, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Before I proceed with my follow-up questions with regard to the question raised by Congressman Almario and Congressman Nograles to Ms. Go Waping. Commissioner Alegre. Commissioner Alegre, you're now still with the BID. Tama po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kailan ka po pumasok sa BID?
I was appointed, Mr. Chair, in January 2019 under the last administration. And,
January
2019,
2019.
Your Honor. And I was reappointed just recently, Your Honor, this June 2024, Mr. Chair.
Why you were reappointed?
I applied for the position, Your Honor.
Bakit
as a deputy
after, kailan ka ba, bakit lumabas ka ba?
I'm in coterminous, Your Honor, with the...
So, when was the last?
I served, Your Honor, until June 30,
2022.
2022.
Then you were reappointed?
This June 2024, Your Honor.
Pero you enter BID?
In 2019.
19.
Yeah.
So it's former President Duterte that appoints you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Previously, before your appointment sa BID, saan ka ba galing?
Your Honor, I was a private law practitioner.
Right.
For more than 15 years, Your Honor.
Okay, anyway, pwede niyong pagtulungan ni nung taga-BID, ni Commissioner, yung mga tanong ko po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyway, Miss Go Waping, during the previous hearing, even in the Senate, inamin mo po yung tatay mo is a Chinese, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And what is the name of your father?
Guo Jianzhong.
Go Jianzhong. Okay. How about yung Len Wen,
She's a partner of my dad.
the partner of your dad? Kaya sa korporasyon niyo, nandun yung pangalan niya. Then yung mga kapatid mo. Tama po.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Chinese din siya.
Lin Wenyi is a Chinese po.
Okay. When was the last time na nagkita kayo ni Len Wen Lee?
April this year or May?
April or May this year. Saan po?
Kung di pa ako nagkakamali, sa Marilao.
Marilao, Bulacan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Bakit may property ba siya dyan? May business niya o ano?
Andun po yung embroidery business po.
Niya.
For the family po.
Yung family. Okay. Okay. Anyway, when was the first time to acquire a Filipino passport? The first time?
Your Honor, hindi ko po maalala ngayon. Just have to check yung first passport ko po. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi ko po maalala nung year po.
Hindi mo maalala yung year?
I think I have four Filipino passport na nakapag-renew ng 3 or 4 times. Pero I just have to check po.
BID, do you have a record? Narito ba yung DFA? DFA? Please, okay, pwede si BID. When was the Alice Go acquire her Filipino passport?
It's not exactly she acquired it, Your Honor. Our record is when she first used it. So she first used her Philippine passport on April 22, 2008. The number of the Philippine passport is RR0401472.
So,
That's a departure, Your Honor.
2008.
Yes, Your Honor.
So this is the first departure. That was,
Under this particular name, under the name Alice Go, Your
yeah,
Honor.
Alice Go. Okay. DFA. DFA. Do you have a record with regards to the first issuance of passport for Miss Alice Go?
Good evening, Honorable Chair. Unfortunately, we could not retrieve the date when the first
Why?
passport was issued. It was no longer in our records.
Grabe naman kayo.
Sir.
BID nga may record ng first travel niya, tapos kayo, DFA, wala kayong record?
We do have the passports issued after that, sir.
Yung renewal,
Yes, sir.
when was that?
There were renewals in 2011, 2015, and 2020, sir.
2011,
2015 and 2020, sir.
Okay. So, in short, before 2008, April, may passport na siya because that was the first travel of Miss Alice Go.
Yes, sir. I also confirmed the issuance of the passport number that was earlier stated
Okay.
from our
Anyway.
from the BI.
Miss Alice Go, how old are you now?
38 years old po.
38. 38. Okay. When was the first entry of a certain Go Waping in the country? Is it di ba, January ata? 2003? Tama ba?
Ay, wait. The century of Gua Waping with birthday August 31, 1990 and Chinese passport number 5679410 was on January 12, 2003, Your Honor.
So, January 3, 2003.
January 12, 2003.
January 12, 2003.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung, date of birth niya?
The date of birth of the Gua Hauping in this particular case, Your Honor, is 31 August 1990.
1990.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, when was may travel record ba kayo ng Go Waping? Since 2003?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, yung first, di ba pumasok siya in the Philippines?
Yes, Your Honor.
As what? Visit.
The first
Tourist?
entry of the Gua Waping was, as I've said, in January 12, 2003, Your Honor.
Ano bang tourist?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the next,
Actually, it isn't indicated here, Your Honor.
from the Philippines, yung first na paglabas niya.
She left the country on her first departure as Gua Waping was on December 21, 2006, Your Honor.
2006. So, Go Waping stays in the country for 3 years.
Yes,
Tama?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Anong visa niya o passport niya?
Apparently, Your Honor, during that period, she was able to get an SIRV, a Special Investors Visa, the one issued by the Board of Investments of the Department of Trade and Industry.
Okay. So, 2006 siya lumabas ng bansa. Kailan siya bumalik?
She returned on January 19, 2007, and during this particular time, her status was that of an SIRV, Your Honor.
So, 2007.
Yes, Your Honor.
Less than a year, bumalik siya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ang next na travel ni Go Waping, palabas ng ba?
So, after that arrival on January 19, Mr. Chair, she again left on January 4, 2008.
2008, left the country.
That is correct, sir.
Okay. Then, entry.
Entry is January 28, 2008.
Sandali. Ang paglabas niya is 2008, di ba?
Yes, sir. January 24, 2008, and then she arrived on January 9, 2008, Your Honor.
So, few days lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, same 2008 ang pagbalik.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pabalik-balik lang si Go Waping, no? After that, may travel pa ba palabas?
Yes, Your Honor. The next departure was on May 15, 2008, and she returned on May 17, 2008.
So, mas matagal siya dito kaysa travel niya palabas. Bumabalik agad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, ang pinaka-last na travel ni Go Waping, para mabilis lang po.
The last travel of Ho Guaping she used passport number G34714418 was on March 22, 2011, Mr. Chair.
2011, March.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's during her arrival in the country.
Defay, when was the renewal of Miss Alice Go doon po sa 2011? First renewal. Huwag ka muna umalis, Defay. Umupo ka nga para mabilis tayo. Specific date and month, 2011.
It was renewed on the 7th of March, sir, 2011.
2nd of March.
The 7th, sir. March 7, 2011.
March 7. So, 2011, March renewal.
Yes, sir.
March of 2011, that was the last time that Alice Go Waping enters the country. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong date?
March 22, 2011.
So, March 22, a matter of 15 days. After that, wala na pong travel record.
After that, Your Honor, we don't have any more travel of record of
So, hindi na nakalabas ng bansa si Go Waping.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, baka sumakay sa yate.
That would be possible, Your Honor.
Miss Alice Go. 15 days. Na-renew mo yung passport mo, Filipino passport. Then, March 15, that was the last travel record of Go Waping. And after that, hindi na po siya lumabas, hindi na nakita, may Alice Go na passport. What can you say about it?
For that allegation, Your Honor,
That is not allegation. That is the facts. I am not accusing you. I am just saying that Alice Go renew his passport March 7. And Go Waping last travel was also 2011 of March. Biglang nawala, biglang naglaho. Hindi na nakabalik. When was BID? When was the last time? Anong country po? Country of origin ni Go Waping?
Wait, Your Honor. It wasn't indicated here, Your Honor.
Okay.
During her last trip in 2011, the destination was not indicated here, which is just normal during that time, Your Honor, because the ports were not encoded during that time.
But of course, DFA siguro may record kayo. Tama? Kasi tinatatakan yun, di ba? DFA.
The records outside, sir?
Yeah. Di ba, paglabas mo dito sa pagpasok mo doon sa country of entry, may tatak, di ba? Paglabas mo doon, may tatak din. Pagpasok mo dito, tatakan din, di ba?
We defer to the BI, sir. As
Ito
to the
yung
records.
passport, kasi wala nga silang record, di ba? Tama?
Yes, sir, but if they renew the passport, they keep the passport kasi, so we don't have
Ito, pero yung records nyo, wala?
Wala po, sir.
Bakit?
We don't keep the
Oh,
records
yun ang problema.
of the
Mr.
outside
Chairman.
travel, sir.
That's why yung passport law, dapat ayusin natin yun. We have to amend that. Kasi hindi natin matrace. Tingnan mo, OBID, yung frequent travel ni Goa Ping, anong country?
During that time, Your Honor, the destination wasn't indicated yet. So the only way we will find out if the passport is presented and then the departure stamp of the country can be
Correct.
determined.
So, problema natin ngayon yan, DFA, kasi wala kayong record. Tama?
Yes, sir, we don't because they keep the passport. The applicants keep the passport once they renew the.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, that's why po talaga, na-amend natin yung passport law. Ngayon, nakita na natin, may problema tayo. Di ba? Tracing the passport of Miss Alice Go and Miss Goa Ping. Now, Miss Goa Ping o Alice Go, Alice Go. During the investigation sa Senate, saka dito, di ba, yung travel mo from the Philippines, sumakay kayo sa yate, as also told by your sister, di ba ang entry nyo is Malaysia, tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And then, nag-Indonesia kayo, Singapore.
Opo, Your Honor. Your Honor, regarding po doon, I have immigration cases na rin po.
Hindi, tinatanong lang kita.
Opo.
That is not incriminating. What is incriminating na sinabi mo na yan doon? Sa hearing, nire-review ko lang.
Opo.
Di ba? On record na yan. Di ba naka-record na yan? Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, why Miss Alice Go? Inamin mo tatay mo inchik. Bakit hindi ka, instead of going to Malaysia, backdoor, then nag-Indonesia, Singapore, blah, 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 bakit hindi ka umuwi sa tatay mo sa China?
Your Honor, for that question po, may security concern po na related, I refuse to answer po.
Ayan ka naman, security related. Tatay mo yung pupuntahan mo, security related. Ganon?
Your Honor, hindi po yung tatay ko ang...
Hindi, ang question ko, why hindi ka bumalik sa tatay mo? Di ba, instead of going to Malaysia, Indonesia, alam mo naman may kaso ka dito, naharapin. Di ba? Bakit hindi ka umuwi sa China and seek refuge to your father?
Your Honor, may related po na security concern.
Ano yun ang related security, Miss Alice Go? Ano yun?
Yung tao po nagpaalis po sa akin, Your Honor.
Ayan na naman tayo. Yung taong nagpaalis sa iyo, incheck.
Yes po,
Chinese.
Your Honor.
So, mas malakas pa yung taong yun kisa sa tatay mo?
For the security concern po, Your Honor, I refuse to answer po.
Oh, you refuse to answer because you have already cited in contempt in this committee. Hindi mo na invoke yung yung self-incriminating kasi hindi naman incriminating yun, di ba? Tama? Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. I do believe that even the security sector, especially the government agency involved in internal security, naiintindihan po natin why Miss Alice Go or Go Waping, instead of going to China and seek refuge to his father, hindi siya umuwi doon kasi alam na po natin, alam ng mga sa security sector natin na yun yung orientation. Sorry po, yun po, never go back to your country if your country will be incriminated in the cases that being filed to you in other countries. That's spying po. That is espionage. That's the dictum of being a spy. Hindi ka pwedeng umuwi sa bansa mo if your country masunog po doon sa mga pinagagawa mo doon po sa isang bansa outside of your country. Of course, Miss Alice Go Waping will not admit. Pero, sinasabi ko nga, yun yung orientation. Tingnan mo si Xi. Why? Ayaw niya pa-deport. Kasi, pag pinadeport siya, alam niya ang mangyayari sa kanya doon. Di ba, Miss Alice Go?
Your Honor, hindi po ako agree.
Sorry?
Your Honor, I don't agree po.
You don't agree?
Opo, in the first place po, Your Honor.
No. I'm not saying you don't agree with my theory. I'm not referring to you. Napaka-defensive mo. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, yung dictum doon sa mga spy at in relation to espionage, yun po ang orientation ng mga spy. I'm telling you that you're a spy. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, based on the records and everything, why instead of going and seek refuge to China, in which that is the mother country of your father, hindi pumunta mo yun dahil po, yun po. Just like what happened with Mr. Xi and all other spy in the whole world na nasunog. Kaysa masunog yung bansa nila, mas mabuti pang masunog na lang sila. And they will face consequences in that foreign country.